Today I will be sharing with you how to reset your system for utmost health. Cleanse your organs, cleanse your pores as well so you can achieve clear and beautiful skin. Nourish your system with nutrients for utmost health. Like this is so life-changing if you want to take your health to the next level, free of diseases, with beautiful clear skin. Trust me, you want to try this and your system will be so happy for this. Your organs will function properly and be at the utmost level for perfect health. So this is a handful of kale I'm trying to achieve here. The first ingredient I use is a green leafy vegetable. I go for kale. They are very detoxifying. They contain high amounts of chlorophyll, and your organs love the chlorophyll for cleansing and proper functioning, so you can live a healthy life free of all those diseases because of your weak organs not really functioning well. So this is a handful of kale. You want to slice, wash with water and vinegar so you don't put in dirt or bacteria in your system. Very detoxifying. They contain a lot of vitamins and minerals, vitamin K, vitamin E, iron, a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals you can find in kale. Very good for your system. So this is it, thoroughly clean. A large handful of kale or spinach or any other green leafy vegetable of your choice, that is fine. Second ingredient I use is carrot. That is because they help with skin repair, new cell regeneration. Carrots are highly loaded with vitamin A for skin repair and new cell regeneration, which is very good if you want to live a healthy life, most especially your blood. It protects and purifies your blood cells. That way they are always very healthy and function properly for you to live a very healthy life. Plus this helps to purify your skin from the inside. That way you have beautiful clear skin. Carrots are equally loaded with beta carotene, which helps with the beauty of your skin. It helps to prevent overpigmentation leading to skin discoloration. That way you end up with a very beautiful clear skin as well. So we'll be adding in 2 carrots in here for skin repair and rejuvenation, plus clear and beautiful glowing skin. So these are 2 carrots. Wash them thoroughly and slice up, and yeah, so that is it, set aside. The next thing, which is very alkalizing to cleanse your system, most especially your organs, is cucumbers. Very alkalizing, very detoxifying, very disease fighting, to cleanse your system real good, support your system to detox itself. Most especially your liver loves this so much. It supports your liver to detox toxins out of your system. So good. So this is 1 cucumber. Wash and slice into some good little sizes and you're good to go. Very detoxifying, very alkalizing to form a disease fighting barrier in your system against diseases and sicknesses. So that is it, set aside. The next thing I use is pineapple. Pineapples are very cleansing as well. It contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps to facilitate the breakdown of toxins and releasing them out of your system. Toxins, bad fats. That is why pineapples are very good for fat burning, because it facilitates the breakdown of fats, toxins, and flush them easily out of your system. So this is my pineapple peel. I'll not be using it. I'll just set it aside for my cleanses. I've been sharing cleanses with pineapple peel, so don't throw your pineapple peel. So you basically just need to get your pineapples, chop them up, slice them into some good little sizes, and you're good to go. So most especially that middle of the pineapple, that enzyme is really concentrated in the middle of your pineapple. So just slice everything, and this is equally, it will help to cleanse your skin pores as well for that beautiful clear skin. Citrus fruits are very good, like all fruits like pineapples are very good to freshen up your skin for clear and beautiful skin. So this is half a pineapple. You set it aside. I'll be using 1 lime because of the good acids in lime. Lime contains high amounts of good acids to help burn the bad acids in the system. Why you get sick or you get fatty liver or all those issues is because of acids you eat from sodium, fast foods with a lot of bad oils in them. That causes bad gases, acids in your system that leads to health complications. So eating lemons or limes help with the good acids to burn and flush out the bad acids, slowing down your organs, most especially your liver. So that is 1 lime. I'll be adding in some ginger in here. So this is like 2 thumb sizes of ginger. Very detoxifying. Gingers will help to heat up your system. They are very thermic to heat up your system to burn fat so fast. Very good at detoxing your system of equally some of those acids. They are anti-inflammatory in property they have anti-inflammatory properties to help with the gases, bloating, constipation, all those issues, and have your system really so clean and healthy from the inside. Plus this helps you burn fats like so fast, so this will flush bad fats from your system, toxins, and leave your system so healthy. So this is the ginger. Those are the 2 carrots, half a pineapple, 1 cucumber, and a large handful of kale, that chlorophyll. And you see, while we are juicing these, you see the amount, the green, how green kale can be. It gives you that good amount of chlorophyll for cleansing, for detoxification, for nourishment. So that is it. I'm using a juicer because I don't want to add in water in here. Trust me, you want this juice very concentrated. This is something I do. There are times I do it once every week, twice every week, or twice a month, or once every month, depending on the different kinds of juices I take. But if you're sticking to this is something you want to do like at least a month. You should have this, or you can have it once every week. Trust me, your health will be at the utmost level. If you can do this once every week, trust me, you love your body, you love your health, and your health will be #1 at the utmost level without any sicknesses, because this will form a disease fighting barrier in your system against sicknesses. You will always be so healthy and always strong with a very fortified immune system. So you juice everything. Trust me, don't add any water here. As I mentioned earlier, everything needs to be concentrated. If you don't have a juicer, ask me and I'll link you up on how to get one for yourself. I love this juicer because it does the job for me. It gives me all the juice and really very concentrated and really nice, smooth in the mouth, like I just squeezed with a cloth. Really nice. So ask me and I'll link you up. I will not be throwing this fiber. I'll add in some papaya and have it as my breakfast. This is very good for digestion. If you're facing digestive issues, you want to consume a lot of fiber. And yeah, so this is the juice. Stir and save it in your large cup. This is a large cup of your health. Like, this is your health in the glass. This is so nourishing. This is so cleansing. This is so life-changing. This is so detoxifying. Your system needs this for the best health you can always have in your life. Trust me, you want to do this at least once every week. Never cry to spend your money that you don't have money to buy these green leafy vegetables or to get a juicer. Your health is something you cannot buy in the market. So why not prevent all those situations like sicknesses, fortify your immunity, cleanse your system for utmost health, and be healthy for the rest of your life. Like, this is something you want to fall in love with, and trust me, your body, your system will thank you for this. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.